In this video, you will learn how to make the same size coils every time. The same length strip can result in different size coils, which can result in uneven petals and therefore uneven flowers. There are a few things you can do to make even coils. The first trick is to use a scale. Expand and measure the coils. Both of these coils are 1.5 centimeters in diameter, but this can still result in uneven coils. The best way to make even coils is to use a circle sizer. There are many different types of circle sizes available in the market. With a circle sizer, you are sure to get the same size coil every time. If you don't have a circle sizer, you can easily make it yourself. All you need are some round objects or a border buddy if you have one. Simply wrap a strip around the object to make the ring coil. Stick the rings on a thick piece of paper or cardboard. Roll a strip of paper and put inside the ring. Take it out, apply glue, and your coil is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.